Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to remove ads in Spotify using Brave browser. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open your Brave browser on your computer. Once the browser launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice three horizontal lines there, which is your menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three lines, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will take you into Brave's main configuration area where you can customize how your browser handles various features. Once you're inside the settings menu, look at the left panel where all the different setting categories are listed. From there, click on Shields. This section is specifically designed to control how Brave blocks unwanted content and protects your browsing experience. It's a powerful feature that gives you control over what gets through while you're browsing. Now, within the Shield settings, you'll see an option called Trackers and Ads Blocking. Right beside this option, there's a drop-down menu. Click on that drop-down menu and select Aggressive. This setting tells Brave to block ads and trackers much more intensively than the default setting. By choosing aggressive, you're maximizing Brave's ability to stop ads from appearing, which is exactly what you need for an ad-free Spotify experience. Alternatively, there's another method you can use to enhance your Spotify playback in Brave. Back in the left panel of your settings, click on Extensions. This is where Brave manages add-ons and features that extend the browser's functionality. Once you're in the extensions section, look for Widevine. Right beside Widevine, you'll see a toggle switch. Go ahead and toggle it on. Widevine is a digital rights management component that helps with media playback, and enabling it ensures Spotify content streams properly in Brave, while your ad blocking remains active. After you've made these changes, you'll notice a button in the bottom right corner of the screen that says Relaunch Now. Click on this button. This step is important because Brave needs to restart for all your new settings to take effect properly. The browser will close and reopen automatically, applying all the changes you just configured. And that's it. You've successfully configured Brave browser to remove ads from Spotify. With aggressive ad blocking enabled and Widevine toggled on, your Spotify listening experience should now be uninterrupted and ad-free. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.